So here's the solution to the 2 levers or 2 ring string puzzle. So when I first tried figuring out this puzzle, I was going completely the wrong direction. I was fitting the loops around the board, thinking outside of the box, I thought. But the solution is actually pretty simple and made me feel kind of stupid when I figured it out, or when I looked up the answer actually. So what you first do is pull your middle loop a little bit larger, and then you're going to pull one of the rings through, so then it's on your cow hitch. Then pull that loop tight again and actually pull the whole loop through the hole. Now it's pretty easy to get to the other side. Just put it through those loops, pull it back to how it was to start with, and finish getting it through the loop on your cow hitch. That's it. That's it. Now that you know the secret to the puzzle, you can aggravate your children or grandchildren with it. It makes a great gift with Christmas time coming up. Hope you liked the video. Join us next time.